Hey guys, Kapper here. Welcome back. This is part 2 of the tree spading adventure we did just yesterday here on our Illinois farm. But if you missed part 1, you might want to watch that first because they kind of go in order. And if you like our stuff, please hit the like button and subscribe. You can help us grow our audience. So now day number 2, we picked the windiest day out of the last several months to try this, but we had a chance to do it. Mrs. Kapper was off of work, so let's get into part number 2. Gotta find one more tree. And we're gonna have to stake that big one because the root ball wasn't that good.
Yeah. Yeah, note to self, don't try to transplant trees in 30-mile-an-hour winds.
So now that we were struggling getting these trees to even stay up, I mean, they were pushing the limits of the size we could get with this spade, but they're doable. So now I figured let's use the machine some more, and we need some more dirt. So I went and dropped the tree spade, and I'm going to grab the huge dirt bucket for the new T650, and let's go dig some dirt and try and get these things back upright and see if we can get them to stay in this heavy wind. Alright, we're going to put that beast of a bucket on. We need some dirt because the wind is so strong. We need to secure those trees a little better. Okay, as you can see, this is super tight spacing here. I've got the gate right to my left. Very, very close. I could never get in here with a tractor like this, so the track machine is really nice here. Tight spaces here. So the goal here is to get a whole bunch of weight around the perimeter of the new plug. That's what it's called, you know, when you spade it, it's a plug. To get a whole bunch of weight around it, and then we're going to have to be careful to clean off the trunk of the tree, the bottom of the trunk, because you don't want to get dirt too high up that you could kill the tree. But let's see how the rest of this is going to go here. Here's just a quick shot. I was going to try an intro here, but it was too windy. But this is how big these trees are. But they're about 3 to 4 inches at the base, which is, I think, for a conifer, this is supposed to be rated up to a 4-inch tree and maybe a 3-inch for a hardwood. Okay, and here's the finished product. The good news is they survived that big windstorm. I need to stake these down and make sure I clean off the trunk good enough. But we got a bunch of rain last night, which is going to help seat them nice. So the goal here is basically just to put some cover along our wood fence here on the inside so that it's kind of a more wilderness feel, you know, that it's going to be totally blocked by trees, and you come into our beautiful long driveway and have more of a very remote feel to it. That's the purpose of putting them up there along the fence line, enclosing that. And I mean, yeah, we could have bought like pretty pines and so forth, but these are native trees, even though a lot of foresters don't like them, so they'll add to the beauty of our front gate here before too long once they fill in together. So thanks for joining us. Stay tuned till the next adventure. Hope to see you there. Kapper out.